everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a family H&M haul. I realized that over the past, I don't know, month or so maybe, we've been getting more stuff than normal from H&M because I think it was Alex's birthday, and then now I'm preparing for spring and summer, mostly for Talents because he grows out of his clothes so often. I do like to shop at small shops too, but I also sometimes get stuff from places like H&M or Target or Zara. In the place that we live, there's not like too many options to choose from, and we really like more simple, minimal clothes. So yeah, sometimes I get stuff from places like this, and I just happen to be getting a lot of stuff from H&M recently. They have a really good app with rewards, and you get like money off and coupons and stuff all the time, but they also just like come out with new cute stuff a lot, and they also restock stuff a lot sometimes. So if you want something and it's not there, maybe they'll restock it, so just keep an eye out for that. So March 12th was Alex's birthday, and we got him a few other things, but then I just went to the mall and I decided to get him a few things from H&M because he is a person that will like not buy himself clothes at all, and then he also never wants me to buy him clothes. So then sometimes I just have to go ahead and just buy him clothes because he needs new clothes and he's like wearing out the ones that he has. So for his birthday, I just picked up a few new things. This black jacket is one of them. It might be kind of hard to see, but it is like a corduroy material, and it's got like a gold zipper, and it's just like simple and nice. With spring and summer coming, I thought it would be nice for him to have like another coat because he has this Patagonia one that he wears all the time, and he's had it for a long time now, and he's pretty much worn it out, but he still wears it all the time. And I was like, he should just have like one more coat, a nicer coat for as the weather gets a little bit warmer out. So this has been working great. The next thing I got him are these black jogger shorts. He has these in a couple colors now. We love them. They're slim fit. They fit him really nicely. He's a pretty skinny guy. So yeah, these are a nice addition to his wardrobe. To go along with the jogger shorts, we got the jogger pants. So these are what they look like. They're gray. These are a regular fit, but they fit him really nice. And he has these in a couple colors too, and we really like these. The next thing I got him was just a plain white long sleeve shirt. This is actually one of their long line shirts though, and it's got like a rounded bottom. We have a few of the short sleeve versions of this, but I thought it would be nice for him to have a long sleeve. He has about one or two white shirts, so I thought it would be nice to throw another one in the mix. I really like the way he looks in white. He has a lot of dark features, so white kind of pops on him, which I like. The next piece that I got him was this long sleeve shirt. This is just a regular fit shirt, but I just thought it was kind of cool, and it was simple but yet kind of unique, so I thought that he would like this. He doesn't like anything too crazy, and he just likes to be pretty casual and comfy, so I thought that this was just kind of a way to spunk it up a little but still be pretty neutral colored. Next, we'll move on to me and some things that I've gotten recently from H&M. First is this little three-piece set that I'm actually wearing. I'll put me wearing it on the screen so you can see. But this is just like a ribbed material, but it's pretty thin actually, but it's still warm. And it is so comfy, and I love it so much. It's still that like really cute casual sweat look, but also like elevated, which I like. The comfy clothes that's it for me. I love it. So yeah, I've been really liking this little set, and it's a beautiful color that will go with literally everything. The next thing that I got is this dress. So this is like a little bit of a longer dress, and it's just a simple color. There's really not much about it, but it's just really basic, but I just thought it would be nice to like lounge around the house in and to like run around and chase towns in because it's not too short, but it's also like cool in a dress. So I just liked this as like a simple little like throw on run around the house piece. The next two things I got are actually two of the same things. So I got these biker shorts, and these are a ribbed material, and these ones are like a taupey, a light taupe color, I would say. And I got these first and I liked them so much, and then me and Towns went in the store randomly and we saw the black ones, and I was like, okay, can't pass up the black ones too. I am going to be living in biker shorts and oversized shirts this summer, so I'm really excited to wear these. Okay, so this next piece is something that I probably wouldn't normally go for, but I don't know, like I'm pretty out there with trying clothes and stuff. Like I'm not afraid to try anything basically. So I got this. It is a tank top, a plain tank top, but the sleeves are kind of I don't even know how to explain them. The sleeves are kind of like oversized a little bit and they hang over and they're a little boxy. They're not padded, but there is like a double lining there. The armpit comes down a little bit. It's just like a cool piece and I really liked it. I tucked it up into my bra, which I don't think I've ever done before, but I was trying it on with some shorts I got and I was like, oh, this just like doesn't look right. And so then I just rolled it and I tucked it in and I was like, okay, I like it. So this can be worn a few different ways. It'll be great for summer and it'll just go with a lot of things. Okay, the next thing I got are these sweatpants. These are a wide leg sweatpants. I'm normally a jogger girl, but I wanted to try some wide leg and I'm kind of really disappointed because on the website these looked like they'd be more high-waisted and a little more loose, which I like. I like a looser fitting around my stomach jogger that can cinch at the waist because I have like my mom pouch still and I like to conceal that as much as possible. So I'm going to be returning these sweatpants because they just aren't what I was looking for. I'll try to find some somewhere else sometimes. Not a big deal. So I love the color and they're really cozy, but they're just not the right fit for me. All right, the next thing that I got are these knit shorts. I'm obsessed with these. These are high-waisted. They're not too tight around my stomach. These are way better than I was ever expecting and I'm in love with them. So I will be wearing them all the time. They're super soft, comfy. I was looking at the other colors already. Might go for it. We'll see. I wish they had more color options in them, honestly, because the other colors were like, there was one that was really similar to this, so I was like, I don't really want one too similar. Then the other one was like yellow, and I'm just like, oh, there weren't any other ones. So yeah, we need more colors in these, but I'm obsessed with these. The last thing I got was this little set. So they are these green shorts. So these are knit short, but they're a different material than the last ones. These are a little more like crochet material, I guess you would say, but not crocheted though. Yeah, so these are super, super cute. And then I got the matching knit tank to go with it. It's just a really basic tank top. But I love the colors of these. It's like a light green, like a light pastel almost green. And it's just super pretty. You can tell my color palette. I really like neutral colors. I do go out of the box sometimes and wear other colors and like some patterns and stuff. But yeah, overall, I really like stuff like this though. So I'm really excited to wear this summer and to go and run errands and do whatever. So the first thing I got Talons, I actually got him these adorable. I saw them and I was like, okay, gotta get them. Little underpants, and they come in a 3-pack. These are the other colors. These are plain, but they're really pretty colors too. But I saw these and I was like, you gotta be kidding me. And then, yeah, I liked the colors of the other ones too. But these are the cutest little underpants. He will be potty training very soon. He actually could probably be potty trained now, but we just haven't had time and it's a big commitment. So yeah, we're gonna be potty training him very, very soon. But I just saw these underwear and I was like, those are the cutest things ever. So I had to get those. So the next thing is this little set. It's a waffle set. And this is the shirt. Oh, tag. So yeah, it's just a simple little waffle knit set. The color is super pretty. I saw a girl on Instagram have this for her daughter actually, but it's unisex. And I just thought it was so cute and I thought it would be a really nice addition for him for like fall time. But he can also wear it whenever. So everything that I got him is in a 2T because his birthday is in June. It is April right now. So he's starting to fit into some 2T stuff, but by summer he'll like for sure be in 2T. So yeah, that's what I'm buying for, and then he should be in that for quite a while. Next thing I got him are a 2-pack of t-shirts. So this is one of them. How adorable is that? It has a little pocket on it, but it's kind of hard to see. And then this is the other one that comes in the pack. I just thought that that was so freaking cute. I love the little polka dots, like, ugh. Yeah, and he needed some short sleeve t-shirts. He has a lot of long sleeves, but he has about like 2 short sleeves. So I got these from H&M and then I ordered some on Zara because I really like Zara clothes for towns. So those should be coming anytime. So now he'll be set on t-shirts for the foreseeable future. I got him a 3-pack of these little short and sleeveless rompers. I just thought that these would be so nice for the summertime. So that is like a heathered gray. We got like a taupe and then we got this pretty yellow color. I just thought these would be great for him to play in the backyard, and he can just run around and like do whatever and play at the park and all the stuff like that, and he'd be nice and cool. So yeah, love these. I got him this adorable little natural linen set. I saw this last year and I don't think I ever ended up getting it, but this is the top. And then these are the little shorts. So if we ever need to do something a little bit fancier, or I just want to dress them up a little bit or whatever, I'm obsessed with this, and I couldn't love it more. So the last few things are for the beach, for towns. I actually saw this little, this is called a hooded towel poncho on H&M. It has little ears, which is cute. But yeah, it's basically just a poncho towel, and I thought that this would be nice because if he was going to the beach or the pool or whatever, and we were like going home or something, he could like wear this and not be cold, but it also is like a towel, so it would dry him off a bit. And it's just really adorable and a little cream color, so I really like this. I got him this little sun hat. He had one of these in a different similar color last year, and it was super cute. I have to get him sizes bigger in hats because he's got a really big head, but this one does fit him good, so I'm excited about that. And this will go really great with all of his swimsuits. He does have a couple bucket hats from last year that'll fit him, but I just thought this was a really nice like light neutral color. The last two things I got are swimsuits, and you'll see why. Like look at how good these are gonna go together. So I'll show you this one. This is a yellow striped little one piece. I love to get him like long sleeves on the tops generally, just because I'm like afraid that he's gonna burn or whatever, and I don't know. And sometimes in Wisconsin it's not super warm all the time, especially if you go in and out of the water. It's not like it's like 100 degrees here most of the time, so I like having sleeves because it keeps him a little bit warmer. Ever since he was little, I think in like every single time it's been summer or like anytime he needed a swimsuit, I always had this swimsuit for him in multiple sizes. I get it like every time I need to get him a swimsuit. It's so cute. This one is like a more like pastel muted yellow color. They've had it in like different shades. So like last year, I think it might have been a little bit brighter of a yellow, but similar. Before that, it was more of a gold yellowy color. But yeah, I absolutely love this swimsuit, and he looks so adorable. So the last swimsuit is this one. These are the shorts, and then it comes with this little long sleeve top. I love this beautiful like light green color, and then it has little dinosaurs on it in a white outline. I thought Towns would love the little dinosaurs, which he does. So yeah, I'm really excited for this because he's gonna look so cute in this. So that is our little family H&M haul preparing for the summer. I hope you enjoyed. I will leave all the links to everything that I can find down below, or something similar. I plan on doing more outfit videos and stuff in the future. I want to do kind of like Towns' wardrobe, or like, I don't know, maybe a little family what we wear in a week or something like that would be fun. So yeah, if you have any clothing video ideas or anything like that, let me know. I hope you got a little summer inspiration from this, and I hope you have a great rest of your day and a great summer, I guess, since I'm clearly ready for summer. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.